Hello guys, how are you? You hope you are all fine. Everyone, I made a video in Hindi. Just this is for translation. Those who don't know Hindi, okay, I'm doing this video in English. While using new hair lotion and derma roller, everyone do one common mistake. While using derma roller, they usually scrub their head like for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. That's a very big mistake what they have doing. This derma roller should not use more than 2 minutes. Okay, better to use daily once, not twice. Okay, hope you will got this message. If you want the new hair lotion original, the derma roller also available. We have derma roller different sizes: 0.5 mm, 1 mm, 1.5, and we have large one is 2.5 for the larger hair. Those who don't want to cut their hair. Okay, guys. Then our WhatsApp number is given below. You can contact us anytime.